respected General Manager TAFE, Mr. Raghavan, and officials from TAFE, Vice Principal, and official from ISNEE Motorsports, and participants, dear participants from all over India, deans, heads of the departments, and faculty members of Sethu Institute of Technology. It's a memorable occasion for all of us. So it is 8th quadra contest conducted by ISNEE Motorsports, hosted by Sethu Institute of Technology. So in this event, the students design, fabricate, and also it is a racing event also. So it is the expertise of the students, capability of the students. We give an opportunity to exhibit their design skills and fabrication skills and also their driving skills and so on. This will give a competitive edge to face their career, to face their future. So this kind of competitiveness will help them to compete in their life, to compete in their career. It's a great opportunity for all engineers. So whether it is a mechanical engineer or electrical engineer, this kind of competitive spirit will help the students to compete. 2022, I have participated in this motor racing event in Sethu Institute of Technology. I hope all of you will remember throughout your life, so that it will be a memorable event in your life. And I successfully congratulate ISNEE Motorsports and Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sethu Institute of Technology, for successfully organizing this wonderful event in our college. I wish all success for this program. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Of all the students and on the dais and off the dais. It is my immense pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, LG Raghavan, Senior Deputy General Manager, Quality, TAFE. And he have 35 years experience in off-road bulls, off-road vehicles such as tractors. His expertise in quality, R&D, production, and overseas customers. Thank you, Ananda.
A very happy good evening to all of you. It's very happy occasion to see the school days and remembering college days when I was studied. Little bit of a collection of my 20s and 30s. Thank you very much. And thank you for this opportunity to Sethu Institute of Technology. And my thanks to the chairman of Sethu and Joint Chief Executive Officer and the principal and ISNEE Mr. Mech, everyone, and the faculties of Sethu Institute of Technology, and one and all the faculties of Sethu Institute of Technology. And thanks for giving a quick introduction about me. And all my career I have been spent time only with tractors, off-road vehicle, and I have able to see couple of my company tractors, 3 tractors on the way I have been seeing. All you can see behind the red color tractor what we produce, and it goes not only India, it goes 96 countries what we are producing in Madurai. What we produce in Madurai, the peoples in and around the peoples, those touch their hands and hearts into the product, and it goes globally 96 countries. So it's a pride of the Madurai soil, and in and around the village, Madurai, Dindigul, in and around the village. Thank you everyone, and thank you very much. And I congratulate the All India students, the participants from different locations, the spirit and the inspiration of making an of India. And in this occasion, we cannot forget, today is another memorable day, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's memorable day. He has a lot of love and innate affection with students and teachers, which we cannot forget into it. So it has been a very appropriate time. Thank you for the Sethu Institute of Technology choosing this specific date it has its own benchmark and values. Wonderful. Having looked into it, can you all look into it? Just a small question. You are all standing nearby a fun mission or a utility mission. Is it a fun mission or a utility mission? Can you say, is it a fun mission or a utility mission? Okay, raise your hands those who say it's a fun mission. Raise your hands, it's a utility. Categorize this equipment as a fun mission. Maybe 2% of Indian population will be more keen of buying into it. Maybe a cream layer of the environment or society. They may be using it for a weekend journey or a bike ride, a beach ride. Have you ever thought of it, taking this exponentially, taking into this purpose of the mission to a common man? Who may be the common man you would be targeting? Just think about it. In a college, you are having an opportunity to make this program, and how long you will be carrying this into your lifetime? Will the next generation or the next team of your own college and school, will they continue this journey, and will you have an ambition and aspiration to make it usable to the common man? When you make it usable to the common man, definitely there will be a shape. So today you are spending a lot of your energy, and will it be next 2 months or 3 months or 6 months? Will you allow it to suppress? If you take an oath, you will never allow it to suppress. You will be taking into a great height. You have to correlate the off-road vehicle into a usable vehicle to the common man. So you will be seeing into it. You may not be aspiring in highways, but you will be definitely aspiring into the villages. So villages are all clouded with the farmers. How can you link this vehicle to the farming community? Will you be able to attach this vehicle to the farming community? That would be a wonderful opportunity for all of us. So then you can list it out, left and right, a fun mission concept and a friend to a farmer. When you are thinking this to a friend to a farmer, every farmer dream of using this for a simple utility mission. So when you are thinking this, there will be a cost and there will be a tag into this mission. When you have a tag, just recollect how many of you used pager. How many of you recollect before the cell phone there was a scenario pager? You may not, many of you could not have used it. You might have heard about it, a pager. Very few could have used it into it in our ages. The kings, those who are all in 20, 25, you never had a chance to see a pager or used into it. It has a very short life. Then it was overtook by the mobile phone because the versatility of its usage among different kinds of people. It might be having in a different price, but it proved its usage to a common man. So when you are making it proved to a common man usage, there will be a wonderful advantage of scaling this to use into it. But if you are dreaming, every farmer will have a quad bike in a different name of utility vehicle, then you will see a wonderful market into it. Hopefully, today's engineers will work towards into it, and let us dream a world, a farmer every day using this bike for his simple operations to his farm. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
College administration and management people. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude towards you for letting us conduct this event in this premises of yours, and letting the all terrains disturbed and using your only equipments and tools to disturb all the arrangements that you have. Sorry for that. Now, addressing to the participants. So we used to see a lot of crowd and many vehicles in previous events, but due to the COVID-19 situation and the anomalies created by the COVID-19, most of the teams somehow could not manage to come here. So I see those who have managed to come here, they are working hard somewhere. They are different from those who could not manage, maybe due to any reason. It could be a financial reason, it could be a support from college, or it could be the team not having contact with the alumni. So having said that, this really becomes essential for us that you can't do these works without the college support. You can. You will face a lot of difficulties. So I again extend my sincere thanks to the college administration here from Sethu Institute of Technology for hosting this event and for believing in us that yes, we can make a difference. So yes, indeed it is first time in South India. If I talk about myself, if you go back like little 10-11 years back in history, so I was standing right there and see, this is nothing but the passion, the craze about mechanical engineering or automobile engineering, or you can say machine learning. So as the respected chief guest said, how far can you take your passion with you will decide how established or how settled you are. So tomorrow you might join an industry. Let's see how far can you take these vehicles with you. There will be memories, indeed there will be memories that you will cherish for entire life. But yes, how can you utilize this knowledge that you have gained from the competition? So if you see the pattern of the event, we don't call it as a motorsports event. We call it as a design challenge or a design competition. There is a reason behind it. So design competitions means, what is the job of an engineer? Can anybody tell me what is engineering? The simple definition of engineering is solving a problem. So how many problems can you solve by making these vehicles, or by learning the design procedures or manufacturing procedures, or by simply leading the team or arranging the funds, going for sponsorships? So you're doing nothing but you're doing tasks that you will do in your professional life. And I won't take much of the time. These 5 days will tell how brilliantly you have planned for it, how your vehicle performs, will tell us that your concepts are clear. There may be many limitations, you couldn't bring best of yours, but they should not stop here. So there will be obviously one champion of this competition, but for me and for all of us, even if you have learned a single thing from this competition and that helps you in your career, that helps you in your life, for us it is an achievement, and for us all of you are winner one way or the other. So obviously we will be rewarding the champion with a trophy, but yes, if you get something, if you get some constructive things included in your life from this competition, then yes, our motive is getting served. Thank you one and all, and let's hope for the best, and may the best team win. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now,
first of all, I thank our management, our chairman sir, CEO sir, joint CEO sir, director madams, for their excellent support and motivation for organizing this event. Thank you, sir. And I thank our principal sir and vice principal sir for encouraging to do this event successfully. And also I express my sincere thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Raghavan, Senior General Manager. In spite of his busy schedule, he is accepting our invitation and coming here. And also he delivered a wonderful speech. And also sir was interacted with our participants and he gave a lot of the guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And also I thank Mr. Armum sir, Manager, TAFE India Limited. He is also, in spite of his busy schedule, he is coming here. Thank you, sir. And also I thank the ISNEE officials, the ISNEE chairman, Mr. Umesh Kumar, and the ISNEE officials, Mr. Krishna, Mr. Biraj Kishore, Mr. Vishan Gupta, Mr. Praveen. They are doing wonderful job and they supported a lot to our institution for the for the better going of this event. Thank you, sirs. And I thank all the HODs of our college. They are also supporting for this event. And also I thank the participants. They are coming from different parts of this country. I saw very enthusiastic youngsters. I am very impressive. Definitely, they all show their fullest effort. So I thank all the participants from various states, and also I thank the faculty coordinators, those who are accompanying with the participants. I also thank to them, and also I thank the press people and the local channel persons for covering this event in good manner. And also I thank our DL sir, PRO, and also first year HOD. I thank to him. And also I thank all the participants, including our college participants. I thank to him. I thank to them. And also I thank the event coordinators, Mr. Amirdaraj and Dr. Nagaraj, and Mr. Balaji, Mr. Anand Narajan, and all our faculty members, those who are worked in a lot for the past few days. They are giving a lot of effort for this event. So I thank all of them. And also I thank all the faculty coordinators and the teaching, non-teaching members and our college students for the peaceful assembly here. Thank you. Thank you so much for our presence here. Thank you.